So here I am with the Hexagonal Stash Buster Knit Cardigan. This design was based off of other hexagonal crochet cardigans. I wanted to do something that was nice and simple and would be easy to kind of adapt. I really liked being able to use the 3-color seed stitch throughout its construction. It really allowed me to use up my stash and kind of mix colors together. Here you can see the 3-needle yarn over bind off. It's just a normal, regular 3-needle bind off with the yarn over technique added. It just gives it extra fabric and allows it to kind of hang down just a little bit better. I also added short rows to the back collar just to give it a little bit more added fabric there, and I think it helped the fit as well. I also used the yarn over bind off along the edge. I used the secondary method and it just creates like a nice solid edge with a little extra give that allows it to flow. After blocking it, it really helped with its flow. It's just a really nice fabric to be able to work with, and you can see by the next few colors that I did, it just has a nice soft drape on it. So I hope you enjoy knitting it as much as I did, and see you next time. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so.